how to give yourself admin in your Roblox game. So first, what you want to do is open up Roblox Studio, wait for it to load. So you could do this to your existing game, or you could also do this to any new game that you want. So I'm just gonna use this classic faceplate right here. Wait for it to load right there. Once it's loaded up, just go to View on the top section and make sure that Toolbox is selected. So it should be highlighted if it's selected, or darkened like these other options. Then go to Home on the top navigation bar also, and make sure that Toolbox is also selected right there. And once it's selected, you will see it here on the left side of your screen. Make sure that you're on Models right here. Then click on the search bar right there. Then search for Polls, Admin. Then this will pop up. There are many options, but you should check it by checking the ratings and stuff, like the likes and ratings. So this has 8K, the others have 20 and 200. So just make sure that you're picking the right one just by checking the ratings and reviews. So this has the most reviews and the highest ratings. So just simply click on that, click and drag it to your screen right here. And this will pop up. Just simply need to click on OK. And once that's done, just need to go to the right side of your screen on the Explorer tab right there. Then just click on the arrow to expand it. Then click on the arrow on the credit option also. Then double click on settings. And this should pop up. Now, as you can see right here, it says you do not need to add yourself to any of this list, since of course you're the owner and the creator of the game. So let's say you want to add your friend, so you could add them to owners, super admins, mods, and VIP. So let's say you want to add them to owners so that they can set commands and stuff, or of course they can be the admin also. Just simply click on the middle of these brackets, then tap on the single quote on your keyboard, and this should pop up. It will add 2 single quotes right there. Then what you want to do now is input their username. So let's say I'm gonna add my friend right here. And once that's done, you can now exit out and let your friend check the game. So let's say they click on play, or they tried to play it. Then the admin commands should pop up, and what they'd want to do is just simply chat CMDS. So CMDS right there. You should simply chat that so that it will open the admin commands, but not in the chat right here. They just need to set it to. They should just need to click on the colon key on your keyboard. Then there will be a pop-up on their screen like a chat bar, and they need to type CMDS. And that's how you basically leave admin in your Roblox game.